Gegner sind außer
Oh
Gefecht.
my, yeah, that is
Die Hälfte
insane.
mindestens. Ein Riese hat 3 Soldaten auf einmal niedergestreckt.
Ich dachte, wir wären hier sicher, nachdem uns diese... Was ist das?
Ich hab da doch was gesehen.
Da ist er.
Bonk, bonk, bonk. That is a...
Was zur... Komisch. Hör auf!
Hi, hi. We do have an ad break coming up, guys. Just... Oh, well, I'll pause the game. Actually, do I need to pause the game? Nothing's happening right now.
So öde. Zum Glück habe ich den Brief zur Aufheiterung.
It's not gonna knock him out.
Was war das? Mann, dieses Wetter.
Move it along!
Hey, du hast hier nichts verloren.
Ich sehe
Weißt, was ich mache? Nun ist er fällig. Du hast hier nichts verloren. Erschießt ihn.
If only
Schiss, du Kerl. Hat keine Bewegung.
if only it actually...
Was machst du da? Ha, guter Schiss. Ha, du hast Angst vor mir. Das tat weh, Mann. Du hast keine...
Oh shit. Okay, yeah.
Was ist... Suche Schutz.
Nothing to worry about. Yeah, because we died, it kind of, the aggro sort of reset. Oh, okay. I have to mute the stream. I might have to pause the stream if the ads are gonna go off.
Lucas. I'm gonna get you out of this, pal.
I must admit, Dr. Jones, I was not expecting the Giants to attack. It gave me quite a headache.
What did you do to him?
Horse tranquilizer did the trick. Are you not impressed? You found the Ark of the Covenant, yes, but I found Noah's Ark.
What makes you think it's the real one?
Oh, come on, Indiana! Please. Isn't it time we dispense with the pettiness already? Why don't you and I have a meeting of the minds instead? Something more befitting of this glorious historic moment we find ourselves in. What I'd like to do is put the guns down.
Go ahead. I'll knock your teeth out.
Fair warning. I have mastered the lethal Japanese hand-to-hand combat art of karate.
Oh no!
Or I can just have my guard shoot you. Tell me, Dr. Jones. What do you know?
Sorry. Let me snooze the ads.